How to fix ThinkPhone 25 camera not focusing. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and then click on apps. After clicking on apps, then click on see all apps and then click on camera. Now here you can see the option force stop. Now here you can force stop your camera. After force stop your camera, then go back to your home screen and then open camera. On top right corner you can see the setting icon. Now click on this setting icon and then scroll down and click on reset. Now here you can reset your camera settings. After that your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.